Welcome to Bytes, Bolts, and beyond. Caravan travel, Aussie adventures, and everything that keeps us moving. So, for the second stop of our trip, we found ourselves at Umina, just south of Gosford, Central Coast, New South Wales. So, vibrant little town, beach is epic. There's a NRMA caravan park all the way down to the right hand side there in the video. It's a really good spot, very tight though. Got a big caravan, be careful. We've got a 3.2 metre high Snowy River SRT 22F. We had to go in on the outside to get in. Yeah, very tight to get in, but possible. Totally worth it. You can get in. It's awesome. Yeah, we had some fishing on the rocks over there on the right hand side. This side's for the surfers, and I went on swimming, it's quite deep. But over on the other side over there, near the caravan park, it's quite shallow, it's for the kids. Yeah, really, really cool. Weren't allowed to put the drone up. Gosford City Council don't allow drones. So this is a short and sweet one. Hopefully this is good enough for you to see how magical this place is.